In today's world, we're constantly seeking faster results. We want everything now, the perfect body, the thriving business, the dream life. But the truth is, nothing worth having comes quickly. The secret to lasting success isn't in one big leap. It's in the small, consistent steps you take every single day. You've heard it before. Consistency is key. But why is that so important? Why do small actions repeated daily create massive results? Today, we're going to explore the power of consistency, how small actions, compounded over time, can change your life. We'll look at why consistency works, how it applies to personal growth, business, fitness, and how you can start taking those small steps today. Success isn't built on big bursts of effort, it's built on the quiet, unnoticed, consistent work you put in when no one is watching. Section 1. The modern obsession with instant gratification. We live in a world that demands quick results. We are surrounded by shortcuts, hacks, and promises of instant success. Social media, fast food, online shopping, everything is designed to provide immediate pleasure. We've been conditioned to expect results quickly, but here's the truth. Lasting success is not instant. The constant need for quick gratification pulls us away from what really matters: consistent, steady progress. Building a body takes years of hard work, not a few days in the gym. Building a business takes months, if not years, of consistent effort, not a single viral post. The real work, the real success, happens in the small, consistent actions that people often overlook. As Stoics like Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius taught, we are not in control of the world around us, but we can control how we react. They understood that true power lies in mastering our own actions and focusing on doing what's right every day, no matter the immediate outcome. Section 2. Why consistency works. The compound effect. One of the most powerful principles in the world of self-improvement is the compound effect. Small, consistent actions build up over time, leading to significant change. Think of a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small and unimpressive, but the more it rolls, the bigger it gets. Here's a simple example. If you commit to reading just 10 pages a day, in a year, you'll have read over 3,500 pages. That's the equivalent of more than 10 full-length books, all from a single, small daily habit. Or, if you commit to exercising just 20 minutes a day, over a year, you will have spent over 7,300 minutes working on your fitness. That's hours of progress, one small action at a time. When the compound effect works in every area of life, in your career, relationships, fitness, and mental growth. Success isn't about doing one big thing, it's about showing up consistently even when the results aren't immediate. Section 3. Stoic principles of consistency. Stoicism teaches us that control is the foundation of inner strength. But control doesn't just come from avoiding external distractions. It comes from how we consistently handle our internal world. Self-discipline and commitment to virtue are key principles in Stoic philosophy, and they are essential for building consistency. Here's how you can apply Stoic principles to build consistency in your life. 1. Focus on what you can control. The Stoics taught that we cannot control external events, but we can control how we respond to them. Focus on controlling your actions, not the outcomes. Whether it's making time to read every day, sticking to a fitness routine, or practicing mindfulness, focus on the small actions that you can control. 2. Virtue and the daily grind. The Stoics believed that living a virtuous life meant showing up consistently, no matter how small the action. It wasn't about doing something big once in a while, it was about doing the right thing every day. Whether it's being honest, working hard, or practicing patience, consistency is about doing the small things with virtue. 3. Patience and persistence. The Stoics understood that true peace comes from embracing the process, not rushing to the finish line. Seneca famously said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Patience and persistence are key to staying on track, even when you don't see immediate results. Section 4. The Samurai Code. discipline in every action. The Samurai Code, or Bushido, is one of the most powerful philosophies on discipline and consistency. The samurai didn't train to be great in one moment. They trained every single day to become warriors of discipline and focus. The way of the samurai is built on daily commitment and taking consistent action toward personal mastery. Core principles of Bushido. Discipline. Discipline wasn't an option. It was a way of life. The samurai didn't just focus on physical strength, they built mental fortitude, cultivating consistency in their practice and training. This kind of mental discipline is essential for creating a life built on steady progress. Honor and integrity. The samurai lived by a code of honor, making sure that everything they did aligned with their values. In our lives, this means being consistent in living by our values, showing up every day, doing what's right, even when it's difficult. Focus on the journey, not the destination. The samurai understood that greatness came from consistent, long-term effort, not quick victories. They committed to mastery, regardless of how long it took. The samurai approach to consistency is all about showing up every day, putting in the work, regardless of how long the road is. Section 5. How to build consistency in your life. Now that we understand the power of consistency and the philosophies that support it, let's break down how you can apply this in your own life. Building consistency doesn't require massive effort. It's about making small, intentional choices every day. Pak. Here's how to start. Dakar 1. Start small. You don't have to overhaul your entire life in one day. Begin with a small habit, something that you can easily commit to. Whether it's waking up 10 minutes earlier, reading one page, or working out for 15 minutes a day, starting small makes it easier to build consistency. 2. Create a routine. Consistency thrives in structure. Build a daily routine that incorporates your key habits. Samurai warriors didn't leave their success to chance. They lived by a strict daily discipline. Whether it's reading in the morning, exercising at night, or meditating at lunch, structure your day around your priorities. 3. Track your progress. Use a journal or an app to track your consistency. Seeing your progress over time will keep you motivated and help you identify areas where you can improve. 4. Build accountability. Share your goals with someone or create a system of accountability for yourself. Consistency is easier when you have someone to hold you accountable. Whether it's a workout partner, a mentor, or a digital tracker, accountability makes it harder to fall off track. 5. Embrace the process. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. Like the samurai or the Stoics, understand that growth comes from small, consistent actions over time. Don't rush the process. Trust in the system you've built and know that progress is happening, even when you can't see it immediately. Section 6. The power of consistency in modern life. In today's world, instant gratification is everywhere, but real power comes from showing up every day, no matter what. Whether it's building your career, your body, or your mindset, consistency is the key to long-term success. Here's how consistency plays out in different aspects of modern life. 1. Fitness. Showing up for the gym every day, even for 20 minutes, builds discipline and results. The key to a great body isn't working out for hours once a week. It's working out consistently, even if it's just a small session each day. 2. Career. Building a successful career takes time and daily effort. It's about staying disciplined, networking consistently, and improving your skills every day. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Create it with consistent action. 3. Relationships. Consistency in relationships means checking in, showing up for people, and nurturing those bonds. Small gestures, like sending a text or making time for a loved one, lead to lasting and meaningful connections. Conclusion. Consistency is the secret to everything. The secret to success isn't found in shortcuts or overnight results. It's found in consistency. Small, deliberate actions, repeated every day, lead to extraordinary results. Incorporating Stoic wisdom, the samurai code, and modern success principles into your life will help you build unshakable consistency. Whether you're building your body, your career, or your mind, consistency is the force that will carry you through. So, stop looking for shortcuts. Commit to the daily grind. Make consistency your weapon. Show up every day and watch as small actions compound into massive success. If this video changed something inside you, hit that like button, subscribe for more wisdom, and drop a comment below about the first step you're going to take to build consistency in your life. We do this every day.